I'm going to show you how to sign up for summer reading. And to begin, you're going to want to go to the main ypl.org page, either using any type of internet browser. And from here, you're going to be able to access a quick link to our summer reading page through the first little dot of our advertisement reel. You can also find this in our Spaces and Services tab if you click this link. Going through this little quick link will take you to a page where we have a little video introducing what's going on this year. And the main draw is actually going to the Beanstack portal. And you can go through this link right here, where we're going to go scroll down until we're going to have create an account. So we're going to want to register an individual or family, and in this case it's going to ask if you ever used the service before. And to begin, I would recommend actually using as an adult registering a child, as this can lead you to have one account for multiple children, as your family may be of 3, 4, 5. Thus, if you register just yourself, you would have one account per person, while this one would have one account for multiple users. So it's just easier and less login hassle. So I'm going to begin by filling in my example person, and that's going to be John Anderson. John Anderson reads. I will note that you should probably make sure to write down all the information you put down in here just to make your life a little bit easier. You do not necessarily need to provide your email, however it makes it a little bit easier for like achievements and redeeming prizes. However, your phone number will be necessary to confirm your identity for prizes and such, and your zip code is more for statistics than anything else. And then you can set, a password that is easy to remember, but also do note that you can reset it with their login system. So then you're going to set your primary library, in this case it would be Crestwood, and here's a quick little starter where we can start with the first child in this family. So to start off, I'm going to be registering Lily Anderson, and Lily is actually 10 years old and she's going into the 5th grade this fall. This is going to take me to a challenge selection. So this is going to be for the first child, or Lily, and thus as she's going into the 5th grade, I'm going to register for the 5th grade summer reading list and challenge. Next, it's going to be asking if I want to add another child. In this case, I'm going to walk you through how it would look for Adam Anderson in this case. And Adam is going to be going into 3rd grade, and he is 8 years old. After that, we're going to be then registering him also for the challenge. And following this, it's going to ask if I would like to add another child. I do not need to do that anymore. In your case, may be different. Then it's going to also ask if I would like to register myself. So we actually have an adult reading challenge. And in this case, if you would hit yes, you would just, say that you are over 19 plus, and you would be an adult in this case. And then you go to here, and I'm going to register for the Adult Summer Reading Challenge. And then thus, after completing this, I should be able to now access, and then after this, it would ask me if I wanted to add another adult, such as a spouse or a grandparent, and in this case, I don't want to add any more to this account. And thus, it will take me now to the main kind of page. And in this case, if you click here, this little circle icon that represents the different accounts, I can see the multiple users that I can talk and manipulate inside of this main John Anderson's account. Thus, that completes this tutorial.